about telling and writing time. We're only going to write time in hours and half hours using analog and digital clocks. So there's two types of clocks. We have a digital clock, which just shows the numbers straight out. So here we have 12, and that will tell you the hour. And then we have two dots in between that separates the hour and the minutes. So on the other side, we have the minutes, which is 30. So this clock reads 12:30. Can you say 12:30?
12:30.
And then we have an analog clock. That one's a little bit trickier because you don't have the numbers straight out. You kind of have to figure it out. So we have a shorthand, which is the hour hand. It points to the hour. And then we have the minute hand, which is a longer hand, and it points to the minutes. So on this clock, we have the hour as 3 and the minutes as 12. So this clock reads 3 o'clock. And can anyone tell me where they might have seen a digital or an analog clock before? Very good. That is an analog clock. Anyone else? Yes, there is. Okay. So when we're working with 30, so when it's pointing to the 12, that's 0, 0. So that would be the top of the hour, like 12 o'clock. And then you count down, you go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and then you're back at 0. Today we're only going to worry about the top one and then the 6, which would be 30. So we're going to work on this worksheet together and practice time a little bit. So on this worksheet, we have two different kinds of clocks. One is showing the time and one is not. Can someone tell me which one of the clocks is filled in, digital or analog? Brian?
Digital.
Right. So we're going to be practicing filling in the analog clock. So who can tell me what the first time is? 12:30. 12:30. So remember, we have an hour hand and a minute hand. The hour hand is the shortest hand. So we would draw a line to the 12. And then for the 30, that would be the minute hand. So we would draw a line to the 30. All right. And who can tell me the next time? 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock? So could you tell me where I would put the hour hand?
Pointing towards the 2.
Okay. And would it be a short line or a long line?
Short.
Great. Okay. And then where would I put the minute hand?
Pointing towards 12.
Okay. Would it be short or long?
Long.
So that reads 2 o'clock. All right. And who can read the next time? Diana?
4:30.
All right. Would you like to come up and show us how to write that? Why did you draw a short line to the 4 and a long line to the 6?
Because the hour's 4 and the hour hand is shorter, and the minute hand is longer. And it's 30.
And can someone tell me what the fourth time is? come up and show us 6 o'clock? And which one's the hour and which one's the minutes?
6 the hour and 12 minutes.
So the last 4 problems you'll do for homework, so you can put that in your homework folder. And we're gonna play a little game to practice time now. So I already have your groups set up for you, so if you can get into your groups and then I'll explain the game and pass out the materials. Alright, so we're gonna play a game. It's called a rolling good time. In your group, you're gonna get 2 dice. One of them is gonna be the hour, and then the other one is gonna be the minute. You're going to take turns rolling the dice. So if you were to roll the first one and get a 4, then that would be your hour. And if you roll again and get a 30, then that would be your minutes. Each person is gonna go 4 times, and I want you to write down not only your times, but also your partner's times. So you can write your name at the top and then your other 2 partners' names next to it. That way you're getting practice a lot writing times. Does anybody have any questions? All right.